Someone has responded.
Yeah, someone pinged there. That's why.
The report has mainly it mainly fetches the customer invoices, and it is sending. There are 4 options. One is just show on the screen, and then second is send email to customer master. Third is send email to external email ID, and fourth is download to A11 folder. Okay, so I was just going through the logic. I don't know, this is not detailed session, but still I'll just go through, and maybe in the post go live I will limit my workflow. Okay, so first of all, from BKPF B side we are getting all the customer information. So the customer invoice information, and then here from Vim table. This is the Vim table. We are fetching the Vim images, and then there will be 2 images. One can be Vim, another can be the ECC images. ECC images, we have another table. So maybe you can check in the program. Once I get the technical information, you can check in the program. So you can get the ECC images. So in the program, what we are doing is we are okay. I will just show the report. You can see for yourself. See, so it is bringing for this particular customer whatever is the invoices available. It is showing everything. So all these invoices. So it has here you can see Vim image, ECC image. So attached to this invoice, you will find image in Vim server. Okay, or it can sit in ECC server. So those 2 images we are showing. These are all basically used for the TPC users, because right now manually they are loading and then sending to customers. So this is basically to avoid their manual activity. So this is test run option. So same way, I will send this report to customer master. So there are some
ECC images, they will attach to the invoice separately? Or?
Yeah, so this is actually
Vim, they will come.
This program is mainly to handle with a lot of PDF stuff.
Okay.
Okay, so the PDF merge we will extract the image, and what we are doing, we are setting annotations with the reference number from invoice. We are setting that annotation because they want to search those invoices, because the PDF after the merge, it can have 10 pages or 30 pages depending on the number of pages in the server. So we will set the annotation and then merge those all whatever is relevant for that customer. We will merge those invoices. We are seeing here, right? There are like means for one customer itself you can see lot of invoices. So we will be merging all these.
Okay.
In the merge we have one control. So we have your size. Okay, so by 10 MB or 5 MB, we will send based on if we set 5 MB. So the files will be split by 5 MB and send.
It will be truncated.
So it will go as zipped. The file will be zipped and then sent to customer or A11 or other users. So all the 3 options. So moreover, these 3 options, the information is same. The format of the PDF, everything is same. So these 3 are almost the same option. Only that this will go to folder, this will go to email. That is the only difference. And for invoice printing, we are using the same, almost the same smart form that we are using now. So if you can see, we have just copied that smart form because we have added a column, Vim image column in that smart form. For that, we have just copied and made the change because we didn't want to touch the existing smart form.
Okay.
So if you see here, oh, I'm sorry, it's a script, not smart form. So if you are using the existing smartphone, script name, forgot. Let me see. Yeah, so this is what we are using. This is the existing ZFI custom INV is the existing script. So we have just made a copy and created as underscore WDL, and there will be two columns added. That is Vim image column. So whatever you see in this report, right? So the same thing, Y, it will display Y under Vim image under that invoice. I can show you one invoice if you want. I'm sorry, just going to open an image. So if you click on this image, it will show open that invoice. This is one of the example invoice. You can see. Okay, so likewise there will be multiple images. So we will be clubbing them, merging them, and sending. So this is the basic functionality for this.
I think when ECC image it is in which scenario? ECC image.
Yeah.
Which scenario it will be?
Any other details you want?
So they attach the document.
Direct entry and attach it.
What is the runtime of this?
You mean
It is a
FB01?
bit slow because we have to
FB01.
merge everything. That can be
FB01 or FB60.
They will attach there.
It is okay. We have already informed this to user also that you cannot, because they're going to.
I thought there will be no attachments for those. That's why. I thought for the manual entry there will be no attachments.
Sometimes they attach.
Yeah, mostly TPC users will be using it. Yeah, but this is not more of database selections. The database selection side will be very less. Only the load will be on your apps where you are running it. There only you will have a lot of consumption. Then on the database side, there won't be much because we are not reading heavy data or anything. So mostly they'll run for one customer and then try to see that PDF.
So there won't be a chance of timeouts.
Timeouts, no, so far we have not seen. We've run it in UEC and UIP testing went on with a lot of data also. We have not seen anything so far. So far it is, but when there are a lot of files, it takes a bit of time. But it has not had any
I just wanted to know that.
Yeah, no problem. No, obviously,
users who are going to use it, they are informed that you have to input one customer, not multiple, something like that.
No, it will run for multiple customers. It's a
they
background
can
job.
run for multiple.
But online,
They
background job
can.
is not a problem.
Online also they will run.
Yeah, so if it times out in online.
Time performance we cannot test in U because we do not have data.
But in UIT, they have run with real-time data.
They are testing 100, maximum 100 invoices for one customer.
Yeah.
Performance cannot be tested based on that. But so far it's working fine.
Okay.
They have not raised any issue that it's taking a lot of time to run for one customer or multiple customers.
So
Archival data functionality is also not there.
Archive data functionality is there, but not tested.
Not tested. That will be in future, you said, no?
Yeah, it will come after go live.
So when you send the customer invoices at the time, is there any kind of message or email kind of message?
Yeah.
Okay.
You mean to say recent?
No. In the body there should be some remarks regarding the invoices.
Remarks means what type of remarks?
No. When you send an email, at the time there should be the title and the body.
Body. Okay, yes, you say.
Body message. Yes.
Okay. That is the first report. The second report is for supermarket and BWS. Means the functionality. This part, if you see this part is almost the same for all the reports. Here, a bit of control, means a bit of change will be in the selection parameters. So this part will be a bit different because this is this means the selection criteria is different. That's it. So, but the other functionality of PDF, merge, or everything is the same.
In that there is only one form. In this there are multiple forms. Correspondence is there. No?
Yeah, correspondence is there, but I think only one correspondence we are using for you. Right, WCS01 only we are using, right? For 1000 company code, we are not using. So like, we have the statement. This is similar to ZAR 0001, right? Pradeep, this is similar to the supermarket one. Is similar to ZAR 0001. Yeah. So the existing report. So here also it uses the same existing form only. Okay. So the read tables will be a bit different because here we are reading BSID and AD tables, and the same way we are reading the BIM information.
The initial fetch is DSID and the B set. Is it accessing any index? Or
Yeah, it is going by
secondary
the
index?
key only. So the selection wise, the same logic we are following, not much difference. And Vim data also the same tables we are reading. So based on the same keys, everything. There's no much difference because the key is the same based on what is this? Yeah, there is a Vim object key. Which field? Yeah, based on the assignment field. So this is a different one. Using this combination key, we are reading from the Vim tables. And yeah, ECC selection is also the same. And the form is different to the earlier one. This is using a different form. This is using STA. The another this is AU form, and we have made a copy and added the same Vim image column. And yeah, so here we are populating the information relevant for Australia here. That's it. Means the same to the same script. We are passing whatever information is relevant for Australia. So the rest of the logic is same. So we are clubbing all the invoices and showing those. Let me see if I can show anything. This is one example. That's about this. I don't have anything, any other thing to mention here. If there are any errors in the master data, maybe the customer number, if something is not valid, you can send an error log file to user.
In A11 also it will be there, right?
No, this doesn't go into A11. This is only sent as an email to TPC.
Okay.
This is about,
In
and
the previous screen, I can see some data which is not with the attachment.
Yeah.
Is that the invoice didn't come here? Or
No, they don't have attachment.
not
That means,
attachment?
yeah, we cannot build it without attachment also. Right? Invoice. If they don't do attach anything, it will come as well. Okay, so I will move on to the third program. Okay, the third program is pretty much what it is doing is it is just extracting water in the A11, whatever data we have already stored. This will just pick those files, because what the user will do is in the previous program they will download that, and then they can do some corrections in the file. If there is anything, they can view it and say, okay, there is some correction, or I want to add some note. They can add that and then upload it back into the into A11 using this third program. So I don't know if I have some examples here. Do you have any examples to show for the third program? Because the variant doesn't have any data.
In G or U?
Okay, so the options are a bit different. The first option is display report has like a test run.
So if there is
This
any,
is going to show the files for this customer invoice and posting date. If it is going to show what are all the files existing in A11. So this is the one that is pulling information from the previous one. The previous one, they are loading data, and this one is going to extract the same data. So this will display what are all files existing in A11 for this above selection.
previous
and then
program is downloading to A11 and this is extracting from
A11. Yeah, here
But
also we have upload to A11. This is only in case they want to do some correction. In the previous one, they would have seen, okay, these are all the invoices. If they need some correction, then they will download it and do some correction. And using the second option is there, right?
Okay.
Upload
correction
to
means CSV, right?
PDF.
PDF they can do
also
correction.
they will, PDF editor, they will correct. They can do correction and then they can load it. So they will load using this upload outbound folder option. And then okay, next customer master is same. Whatever is in the A11, it will send to customer master, and customer override option also is sending an email. That's it. Those are the options in this.
Okay. Done.
Go through and let me know if you have any questions. Then we can address it.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
That was quick. Less painful than injection. The project manager, if you guys didn't know.
Yeah.
So, what I was touching base with Michelle. So we were just trying to figure out, because there's no bandana anymore. So we're trying to do this transition thing. Bandana had a good point that what we'll do is when we go live on the 16th of September, we will go with all our solutions. We will obviously have this defects resolved, and we will capture all that. That will be the primary for us to be the support for the 4 weeks, right? We'll be the primary, and you guys will be the secondary. within those 2 weeks, we will monitor what the issues are, and then we will fix it, and we will put a list of all the tasks, and obviously do the same thing again with Shobna.
Whatever you want.
Handover.
Not Shabana, it's Shobna. I've been corrected. And Pradeep, that we will do a handover. That the last 2 weeks you will relieve us, and then you will take primary the last 2 weeks, and we become the secondary.
Sure.
But we will be there for the 4 weeks, and then we will be obviously there by your side, just making sure that if there is any issues that you require from us before you take it off completely on the 5th week, then we'll just do a nice handshake and that.
Yeah.
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 Sounds good to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So for that, you guys are the right people to attend.
Yes.
For the we'll do it on the 2nd week when we are the primary, to make sure that on the Friday we'll do a quick catch up and say these are all the issues. If there is no issues, then you're happy to come on Monday, where the handshake is done, and then you come and take over
Okay.
the 3rd and 4th week to do the primary, and you become secondary. And the 5th week, you just sign off that KBS now. The warranty is now being taken over.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. We'll send the official mail.
So can you schedule like Friday, the 2nd week of warranty, that we all come into a room and then do the handshake. Okay, done. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
I'm sure. Any questions from you guys? Offshore. Hello.
You are Shalina, right?
Shalana. Yeah. No. I take your silence as awesome and session.
Not
Sometimes I
accept,
won't be able
definitely.
Oh, okay.
I will reply by message.
Okay, cool. If you've got anything from them, let us know. Okay, done. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
Stay there.
See
You
you.
want to talk to you.
No, want to come now?
No,
Oh,
yeah.
you want me to stay? Okay.
Yeah, we've got like a few minutes.
Sure,
Do you
sure.
want to hang up?
Yeah, let's finish the call. And
Who hangs up?
you don't want to hear.
Who? Shalini?
Yes.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is Miss Shobna.
Sure.
Correction.
Whatever I have given is not outside, but it's okay. But we know that it's within that.
They can rerun as many times. And has there been UC for that?
But they'll schedule in UC4. Without UC4, we don't get handover. No? It is recommended to be
What about
scheduled
the
in
call
UC4.
out? Okay, do you know that they have scheduled in UC for?
No.
And call out for the first 4 weeks?
Call out means?
If the job fails or if it's long running?
They will take care. No? That is what the agreement, right? First 2 weeks, they will be in warranty, and the next 2 weeks, they will be.
Has that been done in UC for? Have they spoken with? Have they done something about it? They are telling it.
Okay, good enough.
Okay, I go. Carry it.
Excuse me, sorry. For these, is the job scheduled in UC4?
The TPC doesn't want it yet.
Okay, they doesn't want it
They
yet.
don't want it.
Okay.
They said that after a month,
Mhm.
then they will think about doing it, but they want to do ad hoc at the moment.
Okay.
Like run it by themselves, have some control.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now they are running it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, they want to have some control. That's why.
Okay, there is no job, so there is no
We
support.
did say that we will put the schedule, we create a schedule and put it in production and
Mhm.
deactivate it, but they still don't want it.
Okay. That's fine.
I'll forward you that email
Sure.
so that you know that they have asked. No.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. What's your name, by the way?
Ravi.
Ravi. Thank
Yeah.
you, Ravi.
Thanks.
What happens if email alert is also triggered too? Email alert is yes, which has
Hey, last time Pradeep already told me they are running ad hoc no jobs are scheduled. Already told again.
all right.
But it should be
Whenever they require, they are running.
there's a several options.
But whatever they want, they are executing and sending it.
They should have to send it. And if there is space, customer just pick up and
All they are telling, whenever they want, they are running in manual.
because in production we have a background job.
In production, there is a job.
Yeah,
No. That is different. No? This is different. Right? For these three programs, jobs are not scheduled. Currently, DPC said we don't want any scheduled jobs. So I asked them, they forwarded a mail to us, and they said we will run it for 1 month, ourselves. Whenever we require, we will run ourselves and send it. After 1 month, if schedule is required, we will request you, and you can schedule in your system. So it will come to us when it is getting scheduled. After handover, they will know.